Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about how to make an extra $1,000 a month. So make sure to watch the full video. 1. Freelance writing. I'm going to start with a method that's near and dear to my heart. Freelance writing was the first way I started making serious money when I was in college, and I still think it's a great thing to try if you have writing skills. There are a ton of companies out there that need written content, including blog posts, video scripts, website copy, and more. They're willing to pay too. A starting writer can easily charge $50 for an article. More experienced writers can charge $150 article or more, depending on the length and subject matter. Work your way up to that level, and writing just 2 articles a week could net you $1,200 a month. To get started freelance writing, you have a couple of options. The first is to check out freelance job boards like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger. Alternatively, you can reach out directly to blogs that accept guest contributions. Both methods can work, though I had more success with direct outreach when I was starting out, and in this realm, I had the most success when I worked to build relationships instead of doing cold outreach. You'll also want to build a portfolio to showcase your writing. Check out our guide to building an online portfolio to get started on that. If you want further guidance, including tips on how to pitch articles and get your first clients, check out this freelance writing course my friends Kristen and Alex created. 2. Graphic design. Companies aren't just hungry for written content. They're also constantly in need of graphics, illustrations, logos, custom slide decks, and other graphic design assets. If you're artistic or enjoy design, this can be a great way to make money. The steps for getting started with freelance graphic design are fairly similar to freelance writing. You can search on Upwork, Fiverr, or even 99 Designs for gigs. Alternatively, you can ask around campus to see if anyone needs design help. Making business cards and logos for people can be an especially fruitful place to start. If you want to learn graphic design, there are a ton of avenues out there. I'll note that it's important to learn both the fundamentals of design, composition, type, white space, etc., and the technical skills, such as how to use Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. 3. Web development. Having a website is a must these days, yet so many businesses and individuals still don't have one. This is a great opportunity for anyone with web development skills to make some serious money. But what if I don't know how to make a website? Just watch our video, and now you have no excuses. Combine that with a few web development tutorials on Skillshare, and you'll have all the skills you need to build beautiful functional websites for just about anyone. Our web developer, Martin, was able to charge $1,000 for a basic website when he was freelancing. And those development skills eventually led into a full-time career working for College Info Geek. So whether you want to make some extra money on the side or enter an in-demand, well-paying field, web development is worth learning. If you're serious about learning web development quickly, I recommend these resources. The top web development courses on Skillshare. These are all classes taught by experts and will get you up to speed even if you have no prior knowledge. The link will also get you a 2-week free trial, plenty of time to get through the courses. Treehouse. Treehouse is a website dedicated to teaching you how to code, and they have a large library of web development courses. 4. Audio transcription. Voice recognition technology is getting better every day, but it still isn't great at transcribing real human speech. For this reason, there's a demand for skilled audio transcriptionists. Audio whattionists? When transcribing audio, all you do is listen to a recording and turn it into a Word document. All kinds of companies and people need this service, and they're willing to pay. While you can do this on your own, it's generally better to work for an audio transcription company. This way, you don't have to find clients. I recommend looking into Rev. Pay starts at $0 and 36 cents per minute of audio, which means you need to transcribe around 50 hours of audio per month, 12.5 per week, to hit the $1,000 mark. You can choose to charge per hour or per project, whichever makes more sense. Bonus tip: if you're willing to take some time and spend a bit of money to get an A+ certification, you may be able to charge even more. If you choose to go this route, you should get Mike Myers. No, not that Mike Myers. Excellent CompTIA, a Plus certification all-in-one exam guide, which is updated every year. 6. Investing your money. I'll state this up front. Compared to every other method on this list, investing will take by far the longest amount of time to make you an extra $1,000 a month. Still, you should seriously consider investing as early as you possibly can. Here's why. Investing means putting your money to work for you. Every other method here requires you to essentially trade hours for dollars. Investing allows you to sit back as the money you have invested grows due to compound interest. And the sooner you get started, the more that compound interest will benefit you. Here's a simple calculation. If you're 25 now and you invest just $200 a month for the next 30 years at a 7% rate of return, which is reasonable to expect over the long term, by the time you're 55, you'll have a bit over $228,000, even though you only invested a total of $72,000 of your hard-earned money. That means that you gained a whopping $156,000 while you slept. And that's assuming you never increase your monthly investment as you get further into your career. Do that, as most smart investors do, and get started as early as possible to reap the benefits of compound interest year after year, and you can retire with millions. 7. Retail arbitrage. Retail what? So it's a fancy business term, but all it means is going to stores like Walmart, Target, or even a thrift store and finding items that you can resell online for a profit. Generally, people use either Amazon or eBay to do this, though you could also look into a more specialized platform such as Poshmark or Etsy if you're focusing on clothing or vintage goods. Now be warned, if you do this wrong, you can lose a bunch of money and waste a lot of time. You have to be smart about what you buy, which generally means using a tool like the Amazon Seller app, Android, iOS, to calculate your potential profit. But if you do it right, this can be an effective way to make money in your free time. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.